Shit, they know how it go. Crenshaw Bike Club. What's going on? You know what I mean?
Oh, your shit sure look better without those reflectors.
And there's the man with the plan right there. See?
That is not your line, you will become a statistic.
That's called a verb, not an adjective.
That's okay, I'm twin too. I'm representing though for the twins out there, all the ladies. Y'all better come on out, ladies. Come out, ladies.
Make the right on.
Ooh, all my life. I'll be 52 in 2 weeks. Let's call it 48 years. I was about 5 years old when I first got on the bike. Look at them, see the youngsters out here. That's what it's all about right here, though. The young life, for real. Yeah. I'm loving it. Yeah.
Steve Rado! Let me get a part of it. I don't want no damn part of it, nigga. Hey, your bike matching your bike?
Yeah, you know he gonna always do that. Yeah, he gonna do that. My SE match my HD. You know what I mean? That's how we gotta do it.
Nice piece of work.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. I don't think I'm done yet, though.
What's your next bike?
My next one, Bassett. Gotta come on home to Bassett. Got to.
Let's check, you gotta make sure you check in. You know, you
No goddamn break, no break.
stay on the SE. You know, we gotta make the next move for the team. You know, they got,
good, man.
right now they got lowriders. Now they get ready to go get their Rolls Royces. That's fast Rolls Royce bicycle. Shout out to Bill. Pat Bassett. Them two is coming.
Come on. I'm about to make me one of them things.
Hey, this one is real vulnerable. Yeah, I am. Tell them I'm real vulnerable right now to about 7. Then I go back. Yeah, go back. You know what I mean? You got a little window.
What you know about this song?
I used to be Rick James, bitch.
I wouldn't even play with him, I believe him.
Boom. That's no game.
You said I used to be. Bro. Yeah, and he ain't playing. I don't know why.
Come on, man, Crenshaw Bike Club, man. We be having fun, man. It's about fun out here, bro. You know what I mean?
We outside, man.
My man, C-Rod. My man.
We out there full force, baby, having fun. That's what it's all about.
Y'all too young for this shit, man.
No, I just remember my parents playing it on the records, my nigga. So I go back in the room.
I was trying to get it together, man. Nigga.
Yeah, when they was playing this, they would say, go back in the room.
You know what I mean? Oh, at them
TNT. Them TNT hubs.
Oreo built them rims.
Oreo Bike Shop in East LA. Rhino rings and TNT.
Oh, the Rhino lights.
Rhino lights? Yeah.
You say, who did the rims?
Oreo in East LA.
My buddy. Oreo.
PE #1, baby. You already know it.
Oh, you recovered.
Smile, man.
That's right.
She bad.
Hey, Couch did war.
I'm sorry, but last time the little boy did a wheelie, I think it was him. No, go ahead.
It's my boy Fame, aka the Big Homie Worm. You know what I'm saying? We outside in Santa Monica. We ain't here, you high. Let's get it. My man.
I said I'm gonna leave early so I can get to the food place first. Yeah. I think it's about to start raining.
You going straight?
Hot.
Bike time.
You. So what? It's a bike. What? Get out the street. I'm about to get hit trying to tell you get out the street. You can't ride all the way over there, bro. That's only when it's like a lot of us, all right? These cars will hit your ass. Come on.
Right now. Over that
6, 7.
Yeah, that what's it called? That stop.
Dang.
They did the same thing to me.
I wish somebody recorded it. Yeah, I'll do it right now. Record it.
Your
What's
hands
up,
were-
everybody? My hands are not.
You smell like chicken.
What happened, bro? This motherfucker done got.
Place guy BJD up the beat, up the beat.
Wine like you came to was,
When you had your dog.
That's why.
Yeah, look, I had to feed the kids. They just got here. They didn't get me nothing.
Not how you
This
feel.
rating hungry little butt.
Was it scary?
Huh?
Were you crying?
Hey, we made it though. Nothing.
Where we at?
Yeah, Crenshaw, baby, Soul Food Sunday, man. Y'all gotta get my come get this, man. My boy C-Rock.
Hell yeah, you want that food. You better take that food.
Are you the only one with no beard? This guy, I'm gonna say single C for you, Chris. I'm gonna say single C for you, Chris. Hey, buddy.
Okay, let's go.
Filming beyond the limits.